Hello! Welcome to our video about the Translate bot, a tool designed to help you communicate across languages on Discord. We'll explore its features, limitations, and provide examples of how to use it effectively. The Translate bot can react to messages with flag emojis for instant translation. For example, reacting with will translate the message into Spanish. This feature makes quick translations easy and accessible. You can also translate messages on demand using the command /translate message. Simply type the command followed by your message, and the bot will translate it into your chosen language instantly. For those who need continuous translation, the bot offers an auto-translate feature. By using the /auto_translate command, you can set it to automatically translate all your messages into a selected language. Admins have the ability to manage auto-translate channels using the /manage_translate_channels command. This allows them to set specific channels where all messages are automatically translated to a chosen language. To see all supported languages, use the /languages command. This will provide a list of languages the bot can translate to and from, helping you choose the best option for your needs. If you need help or support, the /help command is your go-to resource. It offers a detailed guide on using the bot, including links to additional resources and supported languages. It's important to note what the bot cannot do. It cannot translate messages sent before it was activated on the server. Only messages sent after activation can be translated. For privacy reasons, the bot does not store or log any messages. It translates them in real time and then forgets them, ensuring your conversations remain private and secure. The bot is limited to translating text messages only. It cannot translate images, videos, or other non-text content, so keep this in mind when using the bot. Additionally, the bot cannot translate embedded messages or messages within threads. It focuses solely on standalone text messages for translation purposes. The /auto_translate command lets you set or clear your auto-translation preferences. This feature is perfect for users who frequently communicate in multiple languages. For any questions or additional help, the /help command provides comprehensive support. It includes guidance on using the bot and links to further resources for your convenience. If you have ideas for new features or improvements, please leave your suggestions in the feedback channel. Your input is valuable and helps us enhance the bot's capabilities. And that's it! You now have a solid understanding of how the Translate bot can help you break down language barriers on Discord. Whether you need quick translations or automatic ones, this bot has you covered. Thank you for watching, and happy translating! We hope the Translate bot becomes an essential tool in your Discord interactions, making communication across languages seamless and enjoyable.